Hi guys, Rose here again of Kiroki Fraco. Today is Sunday, so galing na kami nagsimba at mamamasyal kami ngayon. So ipapakita ko sa aking video kung ano yung typical na ginagawa namin. So, see you guys!
If there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
So yes guys, that's all for today. Ang aming typical na Sunday church, ikot-ikot, kain, and boom. Tapos ang aming Sunday. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking pang susunod na mga video. So see you guys again. God bless and bye!